Hi, welcome to ELF Center 5. We are in the Weather and Water unit of our fourth session of ELF for this year. This one is about weather watchers. So this is an outdoor center where the kids are going to go out and make their own little weather stations. And we have sidewalk chalk in here for you to draw on the playground, like Station 1, Station 2, Station 3, and Station 4. And then in our bin we have compasses, bubbles, and a real
Anemometer.
Thermometers. Here's a whole complete weather station. Here's a wind direction thing. So we have all these things that the kids can use. So you're going to divvy off Station 1, Station 2, Station 3, and Station 4, and you're going to make a little meteorologists out of everybody. So Station 1, you're going to put the thermometers there, and so they'll take the air temperature there. Station 2, you're going to place the wind vane and a set of compasses and a soap container and bubbles. So you have bubbles, compasses, and the wind direction. So you're going to have to review the kids' direction sense and see if they can figure out where north is with their compasses. And that's Station 2. We'll come back to them a little bit more. Station 3 is going to be the Beaufort wind scale and anemometer. So the Beaufort wind scale we've seen in a different center, with Center 4. But this just talks about the classification of wind and how fast it goes to mean what thing, like a gale force wind or a hurricane or whatever. So that was Station 3, and then at Station 4 we're going to provide the simple cloud identification chart. And at the beginning of the ELF, we talked in the puppet show about what different clouds might represent that's coming in terms of weather, and so that's outlined in the outline under Station 4 clouds. So here's what you do to break up each station. Station 4 talks about stratus clouds may produce drizzle, nimbostratus clouds may bring rain, cumulonimbus means thunderstorms, cirrus clouds may indicate rain or something in 2 to 3 days, and what's circonimbus mackerel sky talks about clouds that follow a storm. So hopefully on your ELF day you'll have some clouds to talk about for Station 4. So again, Center 5 has 4 stations that you're going to draw outdoors with chalk. And then what the kids get to do is be little weathermen and women. This chart is for the youngers. It can be found in Weather and Water charts. You can copy off enough for each kid to take one home, or you can, with the younger kids, use a dry erase marker. They have a laminated sheet there. And then the bigger kids will use a bigger checklist, a more developmentally accurate, questions to ask. So we have clipboards in there. You can have them all get a pencil and do their own, or you can have the group work together, especially the younger kids, with the dry erase and the laminated sheet. So each student is going to go around to each station of the center. So Station 1 is about the temperature. Station 2 is about the wind direction and compasses. They can blow bubbles if it's windy enough. Station 3 was about the wind speed, and last is clouds. So this is just kind of a general review for all the things, but it's a great center because it gets kids outside. So if you've got any, I didn't go through the detail of this one. This is a station that has a compass. It has an anemometer and a wind direction, so that's good for them to talk about all the aspects of weather. Yeah, I think that's about it. So if you notice we're running low on something or you have some questions, give us an email at mitchellelf@gmail.com. Thanks.